Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into the best deals you can do this week. Y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time around here. Let's jump right into them. So if you did not use your $5 Kleenex coupon already on the moneymaker that we grabbed last week, if you were not able to grab that deal, there is another deal on the Kleenex that you can grab this week on the Kleenex bundle packs. So these big boxes are on sale for $5.50, and we still have that $5 coupon if you have not used it, making this big bundle pack only 50 cents. So we're going to grab this as the first item today in our deal. I am so excited about this next deal because it has been a while since I have gotten Irish Spring bar soap for super cheap, but this week is the week. So we're going to grab 2 packs of these that are on sale, 2 for $5, and we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. Gonna make these babies just 50 cents each. Yes, y'all. So this deal turned out to be a super money maker. So the first deal I'm grabbing is some Dove men hair care. Now this 3-in-1, so this is the Active Fresh, this is a body wash, a shampoo, and a conditioner. I am super excited about this because this is actually the product that I would prefer to get. Peel back your tags like this because this one is actually $2.79. It is not the same price as these. They have it tagged up under here, but it's kind of hidden. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $2.79. This week, when you buy 2, you're going to save $4 instantly, and that did come off at the register. So that already made these just 79 cents each after the sale. But we also have a $2 digital coupon. So with that digital coupon coming off as well, that'll make these a 21-cent moneymaker. And I noticed in my store's clearance section that they also had this Dove on clearance for $2.50. I'm going to add this Dove in with the 2 Dove men care products because I'm going to use the 5 off of 3 Unilever coupon on all 3 products. So with that 5 off of 3 coming off instead of the $2 off for the Dove, all 3 products are going to be completely free plus a 92-cent moneymaker because it comes up to $4.08 after the sale prices for all of the products minus that $5 coupon. You guys, these are going to be completely free plus a money maker. Yes, y'all. If your store doesn't have any Dove soap on clearance, you could also get one of these Dove single deodorants or the Dove bars if your store has it in the travel section as the third item if you want to use that $5 coupon like I did. We have some more hair care over here that is on clearance that is not quite free or a moneymaker, so I won't be grabbing it, but I do want to tell you guys in case you actually need it. So first off, the Pantene products. These Pantene Miracles products are on clearance for $4.39. We got a $3 digital coupon in the Publix app that'll make these just $1.39. And then on the Batiste dry shampoo, these are marked down to $6.71 in my store. On Ibotta, we do have $3 in cash back, so these will be all the way down to $3.71, and these are normally pretty pricey. They're normally over $16 for this bottle, so that's a pretty good price. And then the Garnier Fruit Teas is on clearance for $2.25, so 2 of these would be $4.50 minus a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. It'll be $1.50 for 2 of these, or just 75 cents each. Next, this is another good deal. These are $6.79 each on your Publix app. We have an 8 off of 2 digital coupon, so these will be just $2.79 after that coupon, and of course that is a fantastic price for Nexus products. Next deal we got up is on the Daiya body wash. These are buy one get one for $4.99. What you want to do is pick up 2, grab one of the women's for $4.99, and then grab one of the men's for $4.99 BOGO. We have $1 back on each one of these on Ibotta, so that'll make your final cost on these just $1.50 each. This week, Axe products are on sale, buy 2 get $4 off, just like the Dove that we're grabbing. So you could grab 2 of these Axe deodorants that are $5.99 each. That'll be $12 for 2. You'll save $4 with the sale, bringing you down to $8. And we also have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon that'll bring you down to $2 for 2, or just 99 cents each, which is not bad at all. Finish is buy one get one for $10.99 this week. If you live in a half BOGO area, meaning any state other than Florida, you can pick up just one of these for $5.50. Use the $2 coupon in your Publix app. that will leave you to pay just $3.50 for one bag. Now, one thing I'm gonna buy real quick because this Ibotta offer is about to expire soon. I'm gonna buy these Almonds and More Blue Diamond almonds. These are the big canisters that are 14 ounces. I'm going to pick up 2 of them, and I'm going to do this in a separate transaction because I have to leave the store and go pick up my son and then come back to the store to finish filming. But I want to make sure I'm in time for this Ibotta offer because it is on my list. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these for $11.69. I will get back about $4.50 times 2, so $9 from Ibotta, making it $2.69 for 2, or just $1.35 each. Next that we're grabbing is on the Gator Light Gatorade. So these are buy one get one for $3.29 this week. I'm gonna pick up a total of 3.5 BOGO. In Florida you would need to pick up 4, but I'm gonna pick up 3 because we have a buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon if you clipped it. If you did not clip it the week it was available, it is no longer available. But 3 of these would total up to $4.93 minus that coupon that is taking off $2.99. You will be at $1.94 for all 3 of these. When we divide that up, that makes each one of these just 65 cents each, which is a great price for Gatorade. And if you're in Florida and you need to pick up 4 of the Gatorade, you will end up paying $3.59 for 4 bottles. That'll make your final cost 89 cents each. Now, I love this moneymaker that we have on the Daiya shreds. You could also pick up the slices on this deal. So these are buy one get one for $5.49. As long as your store is on the old system, you can pick up 2 bags of these for $5.49 and use your buy one get one free digital coupon. That'll take off $5.49, making 2 bags completely free in store. But these are actually a $3 moneymaker because we're also going to submit over to Ibotta for $1 back, and check Fetch Rewards to see if you have this offer for $1 back on each one. So that'll give you $3 back total after you already get these for free, making them completely free plus $3 in profit. Yes, y'all. So let's go over this first transaction that I did, you guys. This is everything that I picked up in this first transaction. And you guys, this was so beautiful, completely free 99. So after all of my coupons came off, everything rang out correctly. Even the clearance items, the Dove items rang out correctly. I paid out $2.52 plus tax, and then I got back $2 from Fetch Rewards and $1 from Ibotta, making that completely free plus a 48-cent profit. Next that we're going to be grabbing is on the Quaker Rice Crisp. I am loving this deal, so check your Fetch Rewards app to see if you have this offer for $2 back when you spend $2 on Quaker Rice Crisp. Now this only includes 3 flavors: apple, cinnamon, chocolate, or you can also get the caramel. So I'm going to pick up 2 bags of the caramel for $2.49. After that $2 back from Fetch, final cost on these is just going to be 25 cents per bag. The Polar fruit spread is buy one get one for $4.45. On Swag Bucks, we do have $3 back on 2, so you can pick up 2 and then pay the $4.45. You'll get back $3 in cash back, making it just $1.45 for 2 of these. The next Swag Bucks deal we have is on the Skinny Girls dressings. These are on sale for $2.69 right now, and I see one up here that's $2.99 on clearance as well. But with the $2.69 ones, we do have $3 back on 2 on Swag Bucks, so that'll make those just $1.19 each. So we have this aisle offer for Clearly Canadian to grab one of these for completely free. I think I'm going to go on ahead and grab this week. So with this, you can just pick up one of these. They're on sale for $2.50. Submit back to aisle to get the full cost back, and that will be completely free 99. I think I'm actually going to pick up a total of 3 of them because we do have a coupon, a digital, that expires today that I want to go on ahead and use for buy 2 get 1 free. So with this should take off $2.50 and actually pay for one of them. So when I pick up 3 of them, the coupon should pay for one, I should pay for the second one, and then I'll pay for the third one, making all 3 of these just $2.50. We have a nice freebie on the Suja shot. So these are buy one get one for $3.19. Check your Ibotta app because we have 75 cents back on each one, and check Fetch Rewards to see if you have this offer as well. When we pick up 2 for $3.19 and submit back for both offers, both are completely free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. Still, I want to try. This is a product I haven't tried before. Y'all let me know if this is good. I think I'm going to go on ahead and take a chance on them because of the price. So these Betty Crocker soft baked cookies are on sale. Buy one, get one. They're $3.99. On Ibotta, we have 50 cents back on each one. So that'll make it $2.99 for two, or just $1.50 each. But check your Fetch Rewards to see if you have this Fetch offer for $1.75 back on two, because that'll bring your cost down to $1.25 for 2 bags of these. Next, I'm grabbing 2 of the Pillsbury frozen biscuits. These are buy one, get one for $4.99. If you prefer, you could also grab the refrigerated biscuits. These are buy one, get one for $2.79. So they are a much better deal. Now, if you pick up 2 of those refrigerated biscuits and you have that Fetch offer for $1.75 back, you can get 2 of those for just 4 cents. Now, I'm picking up the frozen for $4.99 and using that $1 digital, I'll pay $3.99 for 2 at the register. And then if I was to submit back for that Fetch offer on those, that would give me another $1.75, and that would make it $2.24 for 2 bags, or just $1.12. Next deal I am not going to be grabbing, but is on the Celentano pasta. These are buy one, get one for $6.29. So you can pick up 2 bags of these for $6.29. On your Publix app, we do have multiple digital coupons, so you can save up to $2.50. It'll make these just $1.89. Next that we're grabbing is on the Healthy Choice dinner. So I'm going to pick up a total of 5 of these in half BOGO. In Florida, remember, you need to pick up 6. But if you can pick up 5, then after the buy one, get one sale, because they'll be $1.75 each, you will be at just $8.75 after the buy one, get one sale. You should save $3.49 with this buy one, get one digital coupon. It's really a buy 4 get 1 digital coupon, but hopefully on an old system register only, it'll take off that $3.49. If your store is on the new system, it'll only probably take off the half price if you're in half BOGO, but with the old system register, it'll take off a total of $3.49, leaving us to pay just $5.26 at the register for all 5. When we divide that up, that'll make these $1.05 each. And if you're in Florida and you need to pick up 6 of them, your final cost will be $6.98 for 6, or just $1.16 each. So not a big difference as far as your cost per item. What we're grabbing is the Siete taco shells. These are such a good deal this week. So we're going to get 2 of these, buy one, get one for $5.79. On your Ibotta app, we're going to get $1.50 back on each one. And also check Fetch Rewards, because we have another $2.40 back there. So that's going to make final cost on 2 boxes 40 cents, or just 20 cents a box. And I'm not sure I'm going to be able to buy these, because all of the ones that I'm picking up at my store are expired. So I might have to leave these be. And then we have more Ibotta rebates for the Siete puffs, along with the Siete chips. We have tons of Ibotta rebates for all of the Siete products. My store doesn't carry the puffs, and I'm not going to be grabbing the tortilla chips today, but definitely check Ibotta for more Siete rebates in the products, because there are definitely more deals there. Another deal I'm not grabbing is on the Kellogg's Pastry Crisp. These are buy one, get one for $3.29. On the Kellanova website, we do have $1 printable coupons, so you can pick up 2. Use 2 of these coupons. These will be just 65 cents per box. Another drink deal that I did not film this week, but it's pretty decent if you like this product, is on the Lipton tea. So these big packs are buy one, get one for $7.79. Pick up a total of 4 packs, and that'll bring you to $15.58. Use our 3 off of 4 digital coupon, and final cost will be $12.58 for 4, or just $3.14 each. So total spent out in my second transaction, I spent out $24.46 after all of my coupons came off. And I did use a separate Publix account to do some of these deals again, like the Kleenex and the Daiya cheese. So I paid out $24.46, but then I submitted over to Fetch and got back $6.55. I submitted over to Ibotta and got back $6.50. And I submitted over to Aisle and got back $2.50 for the Clearly Canadian. So that transaction was a grand total of $8.91. So when you add that in with the $2.69 that I paid for the almonds, everything that we got today was $11.60. And I think the first transaction was a small money maker, but still about that $11 mark for everything that we picked up, which is absolutely amazing. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here as a part of my coupon family. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.